Today I'm having a look at the new Subaru Outback and seeing how it stacks up as a baby drive. Storage in the front of the Outback is quite good. There's two cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in there too. It's the only place in the car that they will fit. There's a little well in front of the gear lever here. That's I found the best place for my phone because there's two USBs there, the AUX and a 12-volt socket too. There is a glasses case in the ceiling, which is really good, so you don't have to put them in there and scratch them. The glove box is not too big really. It is felt lined, and I found I could only put my wallet in there with the manual. I couldn't get an iPad in there. The central console storage box has this little tray in the top that you can put coins and things in, and then inside it's quite a nice decent size, and there's a 12-volt socket in there too. The door bins in the front of the Outback, they're long enough to hold an iPad or a wallet, but they're not tall enough here to hold a large refillable water bottle, so I found only a 600ml fitted in there. Storage in the back of the Outback is quite good. There's an armrest that folds down from the central seat back with two coffee cup holders. It will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, but a large refillable water bottle won't fit in there. There's two mat pockets in the seat backs here. They will hold an iPad, but they won't conceal it. And the door bins, they're not that big in the back. They will hold a baby bottle or a 600ml bottle, but they won't hold a large refillable water bottle. There's also the wells in all the door handles, and they're a great little baby drive feature. In the back of the Outback, there's ISOFix in both the outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, they are behind fabric flaps in the seat bases. There's top tether across all three seat backs. They're accessible through the boot or by bringing the seat backs forward. They are within plastic guides and really clearly labelled. Now, I managed to get 3 child seats in the back here. I was really surprised. I fitted a rear facing in one of the outer seats, a booster in the middle and a forward facing in the other. They were really nice and simple and easy to connect and fit. And there's not much room around them. It would be really spacious with only 2, but it's completely fine to install 3, I found. The boot door of this Outback opens and closes silently, which is a fantastic baby drive feature. It means you can access the boot while Bub's asleep without waking them up. The only thing I dislike about this boot is the retractable roller blind here. There's this flap of fabric with rubber stoppers on either end to fill the gap between the bar and the seat backs. But I just find these a really bad design. They flap around, they fall into the boot, and they just hardly ever stay in position. Let's see how much we can fit in the boot of the Subaru Outback. Empty, it will hold 18 shopping bags. With the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller, it will hold 8 shopping bags. With the Britax Flex tandem stroller, it will hold 8 shopping bags. With the Britax Flex single stroller, it will hold 10 shopping bags. Or with the Britax Holiday compact stroller, it will hold 14 shopping bags. Or a large dog. The media screen in the Outback is really nice and simple to navigate. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. When you put it in reverse, the camera's not too bad. It's a little bit pixelated, but you get a nice clear view, and you can change and have different angled views as well. The Outback's really nice to drive. It's smooth, it's quiet, and there's just nothing to think about. It's just nice and easy. To sum up with the Outback, it's a really good baby drive. There's so much space in here. There's a lot of leg room, even with 3 child seats installed, and there's an enormous boot too. And the car feels small to drive. It doesn't feel like a big 5-seater with a huge boot. It's really good. The media screen has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is great, and it's really nice to drive. There's not really anything I can fault about this, apart from I just don't like the shiny black plastic of the interior. It really cheapens the car for me. Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.